Who am I?
Smart!
And how do I work?
Efficiently!
And what am I preparing today? I'm preparing universal curry base. So let's get started. The first part we make is onion tomato paste. Add good amount of oil, and now I'm going to add the whole spices. First I'm going to add bay leaf. With that I'm going to add cumin, 2 cinnamon sticks, few pieces of cloves, and last green cardamom. Let's slice the onions. I'm roughly slicing the onion, the reason being I'm going to puree it at the end. As the cumin start crackling, I'm going to slide my onion into the whole masalas. After adding onion, increase the heat little bit and saute it for a while. I got couple of tomatoes which I'm going to slice them and use for onion tomato paste. I'm roughly slicing my tomatoes because I'm going to puree them at the end. As the onions start getting little translucent, now I'm going to add chopped ginger garlic and saute it for a few minutes. And now I'm going to add tomatoes to it. I'm going to slice few green chilies and add it to the onion tomato mixture. Now I'm going to add little water to the mixture and let it cook for few minutes. Make sure your onion tomato paste is properly cooked or else the universal base won't last long. This onion tomato paste is used for tempering for various lentil preparations and curry preparations. My onion tomato base is ready. Now I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. I'm going to let it cool down for a couple of minutes and then I'm going to blend it into fine puree. My onion tomato paste has now cooled down. Now I'm going to blend it into fine puree and later on I'm going to strain it to get silky smooth curry base. My onion tomato paste is now ready. You can look at the consistency and now we'll move to the final stage of universal gravy base. Add oil. Guys, be very generous with the oil because if you add lots of oil, then only your gravy base will last long. After adding oil, I'm going to add first red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Let the masala cook on a low flame till the rawness of the masala goes away. The rawness of masala is gone. Now I'm going to add the onion tomato paste to it. Now I'm going to mix the onion tomato paste with the masala. And next I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of melon seed paste. This will add nice richness to the gravy base. My gravy base is now ready. You can cool it down and keep it in a fridge for at least 10 days in an airtight container, or you can freeze it and keep it for a month. Now I'm going to prepare 2 quick dishes with the use of this universal gravy base. First I'm going to heat the pan again, add little oil to it. With that I'm going to add little ginger garlic. This will add a nice freshness zing when you use the sauce later. After adding ginger garlic, I'm going to add blanched vegetables, toss them up little bit, and after heating the vegetable for a while, now I'm going to add 1 ladle of universal curry base, little more, and just mix it up with the vegetables. And I'm just going to add little salt and finally some fresh coriander. And there you go guys, our vegetable curry is ready in no time. Similarly, like veg, for non-veg variant, first I'm gonna add oil to the pan. Next, I'm gonna add garlic for fresh zing. Once the garlic start cooking, next I'm gonna add juliennes of chicken. Cook them properly. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna take one big ladle of universal gravy base and add it to the chicken. Now I'm gonna add little salt to it. Just mix it up. And finally garnish with fresh chopped coriander. And my chicken curry is also ready. Within no time, two quick dishes are ready: vegetable curry and chicken curry. I hope this trick helped you balance your life better. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take good care and goodbye.